Question 4. The equation has two real and equal roots. So real and equal means b square minus 4ac equal to 0. Express k in terms of h. Okay. So first let's look at a, b and c. This will be our a. A is the coefficient of x squared. Then b will be the coefficient of x. And c will be the ones with no x, just the constants. So now that we have a, b and c, we can put it into our discriminant. Discriminant is the b square minus 4ac lah. So b is 3h square 4ac. 3h square is 9h square. Negative 4h times h is negative 4h square. Negative 4h times k is negative 4hk. Then 9h square minus 4h square is 5h square equals to k. So from here we need to make k the subject. So we bring 5h square over that side. And then we divide the negative 4h, we bring it here, it becomes divide. So minus 5h square over negative 4h, negative negative can cut, h square and h can cut. So we are left with 5 over 4h. This will be our k. That's it.